Vlogmas day 3. Anyways, we woke up late. Yesterday we had a long day. It's currently 9:30. We're gonna hit the road, do 2 sightseeing, and then shop. I haven't bought anything, and I'm so angry. But anyways, it's okay. I will buy something. I just don't know what. We're gonna stop at cafe and then go to the 2 destination. Dude, stop! My boyfriend's mocking me. Anyways, yeah, we are matching today. We're matching. We got matching Snoopy's, a long sleeve from Uniqlo in Japan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She forced me to.
No, you're like, oh, I don't mind matching with you. It was his idea. Look at his matching Snoopy. We made it to the restaurant. It's only 5 minutes from the hotel. So nice. Today's breakfast, stopping grounds. That looks good. I got the pumpkin white mocha. Oh, that's really good. I did good. This pumpkin white mocha is so good. Oh my god.
Xe lửa. Đây nào là phải bắt tay phải này nè.
We made it! Look at that waterfall, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Oh my god. I believe this is where Twilight was filmed, guys. Oh my god. Okay, low key, it's really cold. I'm not wearing enough layers, but it's okay. I got this. Oh my god. We just walked down. Look how pretty that waterfall is. Oh my god. We were literally up there by the bridges earlier. Not a good angle for photos, but yeah.
Go on.
Finished destination 1. Now we're on the way to the second destination. I forgot how to pronounce it. I need to look it up again. I don't want to butcher it. But yeah, this waterfall is so pretty. It's low key a little cold. I wish I wore gloves. I was not prepared for how cold it's gonna be. We're currently in downtown Portland. It's so pretty. Look at the fall leaves. Our first stop is Nordstrom. Let's see what we could find in Nordstrom. Oh my god. I was trying to find other malls, but none of the other malls looks as nice as this one. So we're gonna go here. What do we think? I like this, but I don't like how it has leather straps. I'm more of a chain girly, but this chain is only for shoulder. It doesn't have a long chain. Yeah, this leather do feel nice, but yeah, I don't know. I don't like this. I just like pure chain. Just finished shopping. Semi-success, I would say. Anyways, now we're gonna go eat. We're eating hot pot. Happy Lamb. It's a franchise, but I never tried it in California, so we're gonna try it in Oregon, see how it is. It popped up on my For You page, so it's safe. Asian food is always safe. It's raining, so hot pot for rainy weather is always the best. I'm so excited. This looks good. It's good. Oh, so good. Time to go shopping at REI. What do we think of this? This is cute, but it's $120. What do you think? I think this one's cute. It doesn't make me look as pretty as what the pink one does. I don't know if it's the color, but I look big. Or does it just look chunky in general? REI, they didn't have the white jacket, but they said they have it in Ben. So I'm gonna go to Ben tomorrow and let's see if it's still there by tomorrow. Already closed, so I couldn't order it. Now Target. I love Target. Hopefully I could get a lot of things here. I've never seen this one. Oh my god. This is so cute. Time to go to a wine bar. This looks very empty. Hopefully it's good. My Target shopping was so bad. I know I didn't film that much. And also the wine bar. We just got lost in the moment, but it's okay. We had a good time. That's all that matters. Anyways, that's the end of Vlogmas Day 3. I'm excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to Ben, so that'll be really exciting. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye!